Lorex has many great 4K cameras in its lineup. The LKE383 is a metal chassis dome-style camera that can be installed indoors or outdoors and both vertically and horizontally. The 383 is a fully weatherproof camera and features a unique built-in microphone. This camera is IP-based and only needs one cable to supply power, video, and in this case audio as well. Let's see how to install this camera on the soffit above a garage, which will overlook the front yard and driveway and the street as well. In this installation, we are replacing an older, large, low-resolution dome camera. After the dome has been removed, the camera mount can be removed by loosening the corner screws. Once we've detached all connectors, we push the older cabling into the hole in the soffit. A hole saw was used to drill through the aluminum and the plywood surface below the soffit. The LKE383 has 3 mounting holes. Simply loosen and fully unscrew the ring holding the camera ball to the base. Gently remove the camera. Roughly position the mounting plate base against the soffit so that we cover up the older holes from the previous camera. Use the supplied screws or larger construction screws to penetrate the aluminum and screw into the plywood. With the mount firmly installed, gently thread the camera cabling into the soffit hole through the mounting plate. Roughly position the camera in place up against the 3 pads and reinstall the outer ring by screwing it onto the base. Before you fully tighten the ring, adjust the camera to the desired direction and angle. It's ideal to keep the green-blue sensor pointed downward to keep the image on the camera properly oriented when viewed on the NVR. Inside the garage, we've run the supplied black Ethernet cable and installed the included cable locking mechanism. This mechanism is easily detached by first sliding the threaded end cap over the RJ45 connector. Push the cabling into the barrel, leaving enough cable to attach the rubber stopper. There is a split in the stopper that allows you to attach it over the cable. Slide it into the barrel. This will provide a weather seal for the RJ45 connection once the stopper is fully inserted in the barrel. Slide the rubber O-ring onto the camera Ethernet connector. Now insert and tighten the locking mechanism with the camera connector. The camera is now fully installed outside. The other end of the Ethernet cable needs to be connected to an input on the NVR. Once the NVR is powered up and the system booted, the camera becomes active and delivers crisp, clean, high-detail 4K images in both day and night. We have a full view of the driveway, front yard, and street all the way to the stop sign at the corner. At night, the camera flips to black and white imaging and uses its 18 built-in infrared LEDs. When external lights are turned on, the camera automatically switches to color mode, supplying vivid, detailed night vision. The camera also captures full exterior sound. The LKE383 from Lorex is an incredibly high-quality 4K dome camera with stunning picture quality that will serve all your security needs for many years.